What if I told you that one silent health destroyer is equivalent to smoking 15 cigarettes every single day? Stay with me because I'm about to reveal 7 health-destroying factors that most doctors completely overlook, and more importantly, how to fix each one starting today. It's not sugar, it's not processed food, it's not even lack of exercise. It's loneliness. Whether you've lost a loved one or simply find yourself increasingly isolated, the biological impact is profound and measurable. Research shows that chronic loneliness creates the same health damage as smoking a pack and a half of cigarettes daily. Schedule regular social engagement, even if it's just a weekly coffee or phone call. Consider volunteering for a cause you care about. There's something therapeutically powerful about helping others that not only combats loneliness but actually enhances your own well-being. It's disguised in countless processed foods as maltodextrin, modified food starch, wheat flour, and rice flour. A single yogurt might contain 19 grams of sugar, while a seemingly innocent hot dog contains hidden corn syrup and modified starches. The solution is adopting a low-carb ketogenic approach that eliminates these processed ingredients entirely. These hidden sugars are primary drivers of liver fat accumulation, obesity, and even Alzheimer's disease. Visceral fat, the fat around your organs, is one of the most accurate predictors of future health problems. If your belly protrudes, you're carrying both visceral fat and liver fat, dramatically increasing your heart disease risk. This mechanism, called autophagy, removes damaged cells and proteins, keeping your tissues healthy and youthful. When you're constantly eating, this crucial process stops, causing your body to accumulate cellular debris and age rapidly. Magnesium deficiency causes high blood pressure, heart rhythm problems, and muscle cramps. You can get magnesium from leafy greens and pumpkin seeds, or supplement with magnesium glycinate. This fat directly infiltrates your coronary arteries, creating a pathway to cardiac events. Deficiency increases early death risk, creates inflammation, and triggers depression. Focus on elimination first, remove the processed sugars, seed oils, and constant snacking. Your body wants to be healthy, you just need to remove the obstacles preventing it from functioning optimally. Start with 1 or 2 changes, master them, then gradually implement the rest. Your future self will thank you for every positive change you make today. Then add the positive elements like quality sleep, social connection, and proper nutrients. You need at least 10,000 international units of vitamin D3 daily. This sounds obvious, but most people eat based on schedules, emotions, or boredom rather than actual hunger signals. Eliminating snacking alone can dramatically improve your health and slow aging. They create rapid aging and chronic inflammation throughout your body. When you're socially isolated, your body enters a state of chronic stress, flooding your system with cortisol and inflammatory compounds. It doubles or triples your likelihood of weight gain, food cravings, and diabetes development. This nutrient is essential for liver health and brain function. Without addressing this single factor, all your other efforts will fall short. The most important aspect of health isn't what you add to your diet, it's what you remove. Without adequate choline, you'll develop fatty liver disease and experience memory problems. Your body needs about 550 milligrams daily, best obtained from egg yolks and liver. No medication can eliminate this dangerous fat. The only solution is lifestyle intervention through intermittent fasting combined with carbohydrate restriction. This approach forces your body to burn stored fat for energy, gradually reducing these dangerous deposits. These are the oils most restaurants use for frying and most processed foods contain. Soybean oil, canola oil, corn oil, these unstable fats create massive inflammation in your body. Because they're unsaturated, they're extremely vulnerable to heat, light, and oxygen, becoming rancid and toxic. Yet they're designed to sit on store shelves for months without refrigeration. Scientists have discovered that chronic sleep loss literally ages your brain, creating cognitive decline that can persist for years. Replace them immediately with stable fats like extra virgin olive oil, grass-fed butter, or animal fats like tallow and lard. Your body will thank you with reduced inflammation and improved energy. This devastating combination increases your risk of heart disease, stroke, and high blood pressure while simultaneously weakening your immune system, making you more susceptible to cancer and infections. Here's what's shocking: the number one health destroyer isn't what you think. The human body is designed for connection. When that connection is severed, your genes literally change, shutting down immune function and accelerating aging. Focus on building 3 quality relationships that genuinely lift you up. The fix is simpler than you might think. Getting fewer than 5 hours of sleep nightly increases your risk of early death by 30%. The second health destroyer is sleep deprivation. Without adequate rest, your metabolism crashes, your hormones become imbalanced, and your cellular repair mechanisms fail. The solution here is non-negotiable. You need at least 7 hours of quality sleep nightly. Create a consistent bedtime routine, eliminate screens before bed, and prioritize sleep like the life-saving medicine it actually is. Your body uses sleep for critical repair processes. Number 3 might surprise you with its hidden nature. Refined sugar isn't just the white granules in your coffee. The modern food supply is loaded with these refined carbohydrates, and most people consume shocking amounts without realizing it. Fourth on our list are industrial seed oils. These oils accumulate in your tissues over time, acting like a slow poison that gradually destroys your cellular health. The fifth health destroyer is visible every time you look in the mirror. What's alarming is that children as young as 4 are now developing visceral fat, proving this isn't just an aging issue. Number 6 is constant eating and snacking. Even if you're not consuming junk food, eating too frequently completely shuts down your body's natural cellular cleaning processes. The solution is elegantly simple: only eat when you're genuinely hungry, and stop eating when you're not. Finally, 3 specific nutrient deficiencies are silently destroying millions of people's health. Vitamin D deficiency affects what experts claim is 40% of the population, though the real number is likely closer to 90%. The third deficiency will surprise you: choline. Here's the crucial point: implementing these 7 fixes will dramatically improve your health, but there's one foundational element that makes everything else possible. Your body has an incredible capacity for healing and regeneration when you stop poisoning it with inflammatory foods, toxic oils, and constant eating. The transformation won't happen overnight, but within weeks you'll notice improved energy, better sleep, and enhanced mental clarity. Remember, these aren't just tips, they're science-based strategies that address the root causes of modern health problems.